In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Spotify playlists to Amazon Music. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to transfer your Spotify playlist to Amazon Music is to use the Soundaze app. So go into Google and search for soundaze.com and go to the website. You will be redirected to this page where you may click the Get Started Now button at the top of the screen and create an account to download and use Soundaze. Once you get Soundaze set up, what you have to do is use the menu at the right side of the screen and select the Convert button. Afterwards, select all the playlists that you want to transfer and click the green Start Convert button at the bottom of the page. You will get a prompt telling you to configure your playlist, give it a title, a description, and finally select a destination platform. For us, that's going to be Amazon Music. After you save the config, you will get the option to select all the tracks that are going to be converted alongside this playlist. Check them by the tick box at the right side of the screen, and after you are done, click Confirm Tracklist at the bottom of the page. You will get a prompt telling you the progress of conversion, and once it's done, you can go listen to your playlist on Amazon Music. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Spotify playlists to Amazon Music. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.